Hi friends, on the last video we have seen how we can create a text asset in the orchestrator, and we have seen it from the output from the UiPath studio also. So in the same way today we will create a integer asset in the orchestrator and we will call it from the UiPath studio. So let's go to the UiPath orchestrator cloud.uipath.com. So let's wait for it to be completely open. Here we need to click on the default tenant and we will click on this asset, or from here also. On the last video I have clicked on here. Now let's click on here. So we have come on the asset page. Here we need to click on add asset, create new asset. So first we will select the type. So we'll choose the type as integer and we'll give a asset name. Let's give the asset name as my int asset and we'll give a value. Let's give the value as 100. You can give description here, otherwise we can keep it blank, and let's hit on the create. So you can see the asset has been created with name my int asset with the value of 100. Now let's call it from the UiPath studio. For here we will create a new sequence. Inside this let's give a name and we'll hit on the create. Here in the activity panel we will search for get asset activity. Let's drag and drop it in this sequence. Here in the asset name we need to give the asset that I have created, that is my int asset. So to store the value of the asset we need to create a variable here. Let's create the variable with control K and give the variable name asset value. So created. So let's to see the output we'll give here message box. Double click on this and the message box is here. Now we'll give their name asset value. That's all guys, that is done. We'll save the flow and we'll run the file. So you can see the output as 100 that we have just given. So that is all guys for today. We'll see on the next video. Goodbye.